Hey everybody, it's Carrie with From Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to take a few minutes this morning and talk about one of our favorites that we have out here, llamas. So as you can tell by my shirt, I love the llamas. And they are fantastic to have out here. So they were actually our very first animal that we got out here on the farm whenever we moved here. And that is because they are, well, amazing. But we got them because they are livestock guardian animals. And we knew we wanted to get like goats and sheep, but we wanted to get goats and sheep, and we wanted to have something to protect them, and because I mean predators can come at them like hawks or coyotes, fox, I mean anything like that, and we just wanted to have something that could help to protect them besides just a fence, like because something could go wrong with that. So they are amazing because whenever they see a predator, they will make this really loud call. So which is why one of them is named Braveheart. They make a really loud warrior cry to let you know and to warn them and to warn us too that there is a predator coming, and so that way we can come out and help them if need be. And if we don't hear that, they are also known to stomp down on their predator as well. So they're fearsome, but they're also really gentle giants. They love their little baby goats. They are super gentle with them. They are very, very sweet. And yeah, I mean, they're fantastic. We love to have them around. So llamas are also used a lot for their wool that they have. In the summer, they're supposed to be shaved, and you can take that and turn it into like yarn, and you can make stuff from it too. So it's pretty unique. So llamas are so sweet. They love their little baby goats. So whenever we first got one of our little boy goats, he was pretty sick when we first got him, so we had to keep him separate from the other goats. But we still had him like kind of next to here, so that way, you know, he could see other animals. And the other goats weren't really hanging out with him, so it was so sweet. The llamas came and they laid right next to him. It was really sweet. And every time we get a new animal and we introduce it in here, Winnie right here, he's so cute. He comes up and he freaks out. He gets so excited. He leans his little head down. He's like, ooh, makes a cute little sound. He's always just so curious about all the animals and loves them all.
Llama, 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 llama. Llama, 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 llama. Llama, 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 llama.